and welcome back. This week we've got a video on a classic mini restoration. We've done so much to this, so obviously sit back and relax and enjoy the video of what we're going to show you. But before you do that, make sure you're following us on Instagram, make sure you subscribe, make sure your notifications are turned on, make sure if you enjoy the video, give it a like. Much love guys, appreciate it. Progress update on what we've been doing. We finished all the welding now. We welded the sills, the boot floor, and all the holes and patches in, so we've had to do all that. Inside on the floor as well, fix that, put sound deadening pads in as well, just to make sure that you don't hear the sound from the road. What else have we done? We literally sanded it all back down to bare metal, filled all the dents, scratches, everything around the car is literally like brand new, probably even better than brand new to be fair. Then we've primed it, prepped it all, rubbed it all down, and now it's in a stage ready for paint. So we're going to paint the whole car inside and out, engine bay, the boot, the arches, the inside, absolutely everything. It's going a green and with a black roof. So yeah, it's going to look really nice when it's done. Stay tuned to see the progress. Say a massive thank you to Luma. Literally sent this suit out. You got one first, and because he's so small, it was a bit big on him. So I've got to get a smaller one now for a small man. As you can see, look at the quality on this. It's got little air vents here for when he gets stinky, you can let the smell out. Nice pockets. Nice pockets there. You can put whatever you want in there.
Knee pads.
Knee pads, so we can literally, when you're kneeling down, getting in them places where, you know what I mean, hard to get places. Your knees are protected at all times. What else you got on here? Pockets as well there. Unless you want to touch your willy from your pocket.
From in there.
There you go. Well, you got Velcro at the bottom there, so it's easy to put on with shoes on. You've got your hood there in case you want to go rob someone. Put your hood up. What else we got? You've got pockets at the back. Don't know what you're gonna put in there. Maybe, you know, bag, yeah, whatever you're gonna put. But yeah, literally nice, high quality materials, everything bang on. Definitely recommend. customer. Just got over the car with some waterless. Obviously, amazing stuff. Yeah, so literally just going over the car, getting rid of the, like the polish residue from when we polished it and so on, and the dust. So yeah, load it up and go to the customer. Dropped the Mini off to the customer's house. This is Mike. Mike owns this. Mike's going to be rebuilding it now, so we'll hand it over to him when it's rebuilt. He'll obviously bring it back and then we'll see it finished. So, Mike.
That's it. Cracking job. Brilliant. Everything's been like redone, sprayed. Beautiful job. Really appreciate it, Kieran.
Cheers. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Problem.
So thanks for watching. Make sure you've subscribed. Notifications are on. Remember, follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook, and yeah, stay tuned for next week. We've got something special in line. We have got a classic restoration on the VW Transport T1 split screen, so another good video. So turn on notifications, subscribe, and see you next week.